Hey, this is Madison. Let's install the Bamboo Balance. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. I'll start by cutting apart my bamboo and circles. Next, I'll plan the placement of my circles and bamboo. Don't worry, we include a layout guide to make this step easy. To begin, I'll remove the backing from my circle and place one side onto the floor. Using a wave motion with my squeegee, I'll carefully guide the circle down. Notice how I squeegee in small sections, starting from the center and working outward towards the edges. I used a small Post-it to measure how far apart I want my next circle to be. Again, I'll remove the backing from my bamboo and place one side onto the floor. Watch how I use my squeegee to slide down the bamboo. I'll overlap the bamboo edge to make a seamless look. Let's see it in action. More videos coming soon.